and good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm naturally Ray, or you can just call me Ray. Now, if you know you watch my videos back to back to back to back and have not subscribed, why not? Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload future vlogs and videos where I talk about health, fitness and lifestyle. So we're doing another what I eat in a day type of video. Of course, I'm documenting my weight loss series, my journey to 120 pounds. So of course, I will show you all of my readings on my smart scale. So look out to the end of the video for that. I'm actually really happy about how well things have been going on my weight loss journey. My main thing is that I'm focusing on protein. So once I prioritize protein, I try to eat like really high protein meals, at least get 100 grams of protein every single day. Sometimes I get a little less, but for the majority of the times it's 100. Sometimes I get 120, 130. Y'all, so I had breakfast, and y'all, I love having a big hearty breakfast, and even though it's a lot of calories, I really try to prioritize protein, and by the time I have lunch and dinner, I balance out my calories really well. As a matter of fact, my calorie deficit that I put for myself is 1500. Sometimes it might be a little over, maybe by 100, 200, which is fine, because if it's over by a little bit, I'm still in a calorie deficit. But if I want to get like really great results for fat loss, I try to stay closer to the 1500. Anyway, I actually got some bone broth. I actually never bought this particular brand before. I really wanted to get beef bone broth, but this one is chicken. Now the thing is, they said that a serving size is 1 cup and it's 10 grams of protein, which is really good. But I don't know if I would like the taste, but it's fine. Even if I don't like the taste, I'm gonna use that same bone broth and maybe use it for my chicken that I'm gonna make for a little later. I think I'm gonna make chicken for lunch. Actually no, I'll make the chicken for dinner, but I have to season up my shrimp and my chicken. Maybe I'll do that soon and keep it in the fridge for later, but I'm gonna try out this bone broth now. So we have your chicken bone broth here, and y'all, to be honest, this doesn't even smell good. I don't know if I would actually like this, and this is so hot. I don't know if you can see that steam coming over here. This is hot, but I do not think, I mean, ideally I really wanted the beef bone broth, but I couldn't get any beef bone broth, so chicken was the only one that I saw. I'm gonna let this cool down a little bit and then I'll have a sip, and honestly, if this does not taste good, I am definitely gonna use this for my chicken for later, because I'm doing stew chicken, and obviously chicken bone broth and stew chicken goes hand in hand. So let me let this cool down. Actually, hold on, let me see. Nah, this is gonna be too hot. Let me let it cool down a little bit. So I'm gonna try it now. It's still kind of hot, but I'm just gonna take a little sip. It's actually not that bad. I mean, it tastes like what I thought it was gonna taste like. I mean, I had vegetable broth before, and it's just chicken broth. It's actually really not that bad. But I may drink half of it and get some of the protein, because a cup is a serving, and it has 10 grams of protein. And maybe I will use a little bit with my chicken bone broth, but maybe I'll drink half of it because it's really not that bad. And we have our lunch here. The only thing though, I think I put a little too much crushed red peppers. I'm the type of person, I don't like a lot of pepper in food. So, let's do a taste test and see. I really hope I don't start coughing a lot. All right, let's see. Let me try and get everything in here. I have my avocado, feta cheese. Oh my goodness, let me see. Okay, so this is what I have. Okay, perfection. It was just the right amount of crushed red peppers. Alright, so I'm gonna have this, and I am actually gonna take like a little, maybe 10-15 to 20-minute walk. I did mention in a couple videos back that I was aiming at doing 1 hour of intentional walking every day, and I did that for 30 days straight. Actually, for when I did that 30-day challenge, I end up walking sometimes like an hour and a half, 2 hours, like intentional walking, and that's one of the habits that I continued. So just to help me to get my daily step count, now I don't have a specific number, but with the amount of times that I walk, like 10-15 minutes after every meal, and just walking about throughout the day, I kind of surpass 10,000 steps a lot of the times, which is really good. It's really good to increase your NEAT, your non-exercise activity thermogenesis, and that has been really helping me a lot with my fat loss. I know I mentioned this to you all before. Of course, nutrition is key. Being in a calorie deficit is key, but I absolutely love the walking. I mean, it's easy. I just put in my AirPods, listen to music, listen to a podcast, listen to an audiobook, watch YouTube videos, and it has been awesome. It's like one of the things I am so happy that I intentionally started doing, and it's literally become part of my routine every single day. So yeah, I'm gonna have this. You want this tastes so good. This tastes so good. So I'm excited about this, and then I'll catch up with you all for dinner. Dinner here, and y'all know I had to make some sweet potatoes. I love it, love it, love it so much. I think in every single one of my what I eat in a day videos I have sweet potatoes. I think so. Anyway, I love it so much. And I actually don't know when was the last time I ever made stewed chicken. Now, I mean, I'm Trini, I always eat stewed chicken, but it's whether I'm with like family or friends or if I go out. But I actually haven't made it in a very long time, and I don't even think I showed it on any of my what I eat in a day videos. So excited to get into this. I actually made it earlier this week, and I was like, I think I want to do this in my next video. So love it. It looks so good. I'm sure it's gonna taste good as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't click out yet, because of course I will show you all my readings on my SMART scale, my muscle mass, fat percentage, how much I weigh. Like I said earlier, I am really happy with how things are going on my fat loss journey. And yeah, but I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If it is you did, make sure you like it, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload future videos, and as always, try your best to become the healthiest version of yourselves. Bye guys.